Hi. Taking break away from our work life is very important. I know many of you agree to me, or most of you would say yes, we need to take breaks. Let's talk about why that is important. Yes, during our work life, we all know it's a monotonous work. Many a times we have to go beyond our work timings, go beyond our work commitments, stretch beyond what we have to do. And several days it happens that we are like overdrained because we are stretching ourselves and working so hard that the very next day or one of the following days we tend to go down. This is absolutely normal because we are all emotional human beings. Ups and downs are part of work life and also personal life. So, when these things happen, our brain over a period of time stops or the peak performance stops to drip. And what I read is the more you try to do several things, that is, you try to do multitasking at work or you try to do many things in life, the performance ultimately goes by down by even 50%. And there comes a point where you feel that you are not able to deliver your best. What do you do then? Take a break and recharge. That's why breaks or getting away from our normal work routine is important. When you take such breaks, maybe it's a vacation, maybe go on a holiday with known friends or relatives or family, you tend to forget or you tend to move away from your regular routine, and as a result, the brain starts to get relaxed, and it's a beautiful way to recharge yourself, to rejuvenate yourself by involving or doing things that you are not used to doing every day. And breaking away from the monotonous schedule gives an opportunity to recur back with a fresh mind and look at things from a fresh perspective. That's why it is always recommended that whenever possible, because work demands it has its own challenges. So whenever possible during the year, or whenever you feel that things are getting overwhelmed or going beyond your control, and if the work permits, it is always good to take a break off. And that helps people to come back in a better way and look at things in a new way. Yeah, the sad part is whenever you go on a break and you want to come back, you don't feel like coming back, right? That's the truth with many, but you can't help it. You have to come back, and that's the work life, that's a corporate world. So it is important to take a break, and I would say every working professional must stick on to this and keep it a mandate or keep it in their routine, like they have their routines and schedules for work. Keep a routine that either 1 or 2 or 3 vacations, big, small, must be taken in a year so that they can keep themselves charged up and keep going strongly. So that's all I had to say. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to the channel and keep listening more from me as to how do you balance emotions, how do you get better at things in your work life, and overall be a great human being. Thank you. Thanks for watching.